Never a dull moment. No, Renegade didn't know he was gonna have to work this hard today.
Where's Bud?
So I just had to do a little tow job, a little daisy chain action.
My bike just died.
You just died?
Yeah.
Brand new Can-Am 2022. Junk.
You almost went over the bars.
Junk. Buy a Polaris, he says. Oh shoot, I better put fuel in. I almost forgot. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, let's make some tracks. Okay, so I think we're gonna go the interesting way. Pretty sure the last time I came down here I said I need to come down and do some trail trimming. Or tree trimming on the trail. Yeah. I often say there's nothing better than getting out and enjoying a ride. And that certainly is true today. Oh yeah, we gotta trim this freaking thing back. Even though I've got to fight through all the branches and limbs and obstacles so I don't scratch my brand new powder coat, at least for one ride. I guess that's what makes it part of the adventure. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna try to go across that. You know, I really wouldn't have it any other way. Nope. Nope. I was thinking maybe I'd give it a try, but see the deer broken through. That's a little sketchy. Public service announcement. If you enjoy the videos and you want to be part of the community, the easiest thing to do is just hit that subscribe button. It only takes you a second, but it helps the channel out a lot. I'd appreciate it. Couple weapons there, boys. Okay.
He's all beep now too.
Really?
Yeah, the other one,
I wonder what that was.
21 doesn't. You shut it off, it beeps. You select your four-wheel drive, your...
Huh.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah, that is weird. I'd be all over the place.
What's your power steering at?
Medium, I think. I usually just leave it on medium. Where do you want to start?
Wherever, man. You're the tour guide.
Actually, why don't we just go this way and then out?
Question, have you had any problems with your handguards?
No.
Falling out?
No.
No?
You just got to get them tight, right?
Yeah, mine were tight, but they keep falling out.
Yeah, well, they're not right. Like, they take a bit of farting around, but when you get them right, then no problem. stiffen these up. I ride them soft. I ride them on the softest.
You, eh?
But we're gonna hit lots of big bumps. And if you hit a big bump, look at that.
I don't like that.
Look at that.
Oh, he's just changing shock settings.
Just
I think we're already at 2.
Yeah, that's where we start.
Richard looks at me and he goes, "You do know the belt is not warranty." No, I know. He goes,
We'll make a grilled cheese sandwich or something in my house if you want. It's not that far.
He's a big kid. He'll take the grilled cheese.
"I didn't eat breakfast. I was dealing with the internet guy."
Oh.
Don's into the mud.
I know Don's into the mud.
No, I'm not just mud.
This is like maybe my second time being here in the winter time.
Yeah.
And it just like, I don't recognize it.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Oh yeah, heated grip. It's cold. Cattails make a mess.
My bike just died.
It just died?
Yeah, it was like, man, I almost went over the bars.
So as you can imagine, Bubs here is quite upset that his brand new machine just quit on him. But eventually it did fire back up and we thought we were all good to go. Or so we thought.
Well, bike won't run now.
So did it just quit again?
So I couldn't go forward, so I went in reverse, went all the way back down here.
Yeah.
And then tried to go, and then it just, and then I got it running and it...
Just something strange. It just doesn't want to run. That's what warranty's for. But we found out what the limit pulling an 850 uphill in snow is over the limit of the front drive shaft. That's all I can say. But we got her up the hill. To learn more about all the details on the 2022 Can-Am Outlander 850 XMR, click the video on the screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.